Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best heat element is probably one of the most overlooked components in your dryer, yet it's absolutely crucial for its performance. Without a functioning heat element, your clothes will stay damp, and your laundry routine will be severely disrupted. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of dryer heat elements, exploring what they are, how they work, and how to choose the perfect one for your needs, ensuring your clothes come out perfectly dry every time. Number 5. 2025 Upgrade Dryer Heating Element for Whirlpool. This is a high-quality dryer heating element designed for long-lasting performance. The nickel chromium content is up to 95%, and the heating wire is 25% longer. This means it will last longer than other replacement parts. The package includes everything you need for a full replacement. It comes with the heating element, thermostats, thermal fuse, and cut-off kit. Everything is included for a quick and easy installation. This heating element directly replaces many part numbers. It fits a wide range of dryer brands and models. This makes it a versatile and convenient replacement option. Unsure if this part fits your dryer? Contact our professional service team for assistance. They can help you confirm compatibility with your specific dryer model. The product has a normal service life of 12 months and comes with a 2-year warranty. If you encounter any issues, please contact us for after-sales service. We are here to help you. What we like. This dryer heating element boasts superior heat resistance, ensuring durability and safety. The extended heating wire provides more efficient drying, saving you time and energy. If you have a variety of dryer models in your home, this is a great choice because it is compatible with many brands, making it a versatile option. What people say. My dryer had stopped drying my clothes. It was no longer producing heat to dry my clothes. These parts fit and worked perfectly in the Whirlpool LEQ 8000 JQ3 dryer I fixed in 30 minutes without prior experience. Easy to install and works great. Number 4. Monkemon 279838 Dryer Heating Element Kit. Is your dryer failing to get hot? This Monkemon heating element kit is the perfect solution. It includes all the necessary parts to restore your dryer's heating function. This kit is compatible with a wide range of dryer brands, including Kenmore, Whirlpool, Maytag, and more. It's designed to replace multiple part numbers, making it a versatile choice. The heating element is made with up to 95% nickel chromium, ensuring excellent heat resistance. The heating wire is also 25% longer than standard replacements, providing more uniform heating and protecting your clothes. The kit comes with everything you need for a quick fix. With just a 1/4-inch and a 5/16-inch screwdriver, you can install it in about 30 minutes, even without prior experience. We stand behind our product with a 1-year warranty. If you have any issues, our service team is ready to assist you within 24 hours. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. With a high nickel chromium content, this element offers exceptional heat and abrasion resistance. The kit includes all necessary components, and installation is a breeze with provided videos. If you are looking for a quick and easy fix for your dryer, this product is perfect for you. What people say. Works flawlessly. No modification was needed. Contains 5 parts to repair the entire dryer basically. Installed easy, and all the parts matched, dryer is working awesome. Number 3. APPLIANCEMATES 279838 Dryer Heating Element Kit. Introducing the APPLIANCEMATES 279838 Dryer Heating Element Kit. This kit is designed to get your dryer working like new. It's a reliable solution for common dryer issues. The kit includes the 279838 Dryer Heating Element, Thermal Fuse, Thermal Cutoff Kit, Thermostat, and High Limit Thermostat. This comprehensive set ensures everything you need for a complete repair is included. This heating element replaces multiple part numbers, including 279838, 8565582, and W10724237. It's a cost-effective way to fix a dryer that isn't heating up. Make sure to turn off the power before installation. The 279838 heating element fits Whirlpool, Maytag, Kenmore, and Amana dryers. It is compatible with many models on the market, ensuring a wide range of applicability. The heating element has a rated power of 5,400 watts and 240 volts. It uses high-quality nickel in the heating wires, which is 30% longer than other replacement parts. This ensures durability and efficient heating. The 279838 dryer heating element kit is made from durable, high-quality materials. It meets OEM standards and is guaranteed to exceed OEM requirements. If you're not satisfied, you can request a replacement. What we like. This heating element uses high-quality nickel in the heating element's wires, which is higher than 25% high-quality nickel compared with other 279,838 element. The length of the heating wire is 30% longer than other common dryer replacement parts. If you want a reliable and durable solution with peace of mind, this product's after-sales guarantee has you covered. What people say. I recently had to replace the heating element in my dryer, and the 279838 dryer heating element was a perfect fit. The installation process was straightforward, and the instructions were clear, making it easy even for someone without much experience in appliance repair. It heats up quickly and evenly, ensuring my clothes dry efficiently. Number 2. Romalon DC97-14486A dryer heating element. Are you experiencing dryer issues? This DC97-14486A heating element is designed to restore your dryer's efficiency. It's a reliable replacement part that you can trust. This heating element is compatible with various Samsung and Kenmore dryer models. It includes essential components for optimal performance. You can easily find if it fits your dryer. The DC97-14486A includes a built-in heating element, thermal fuse, and thermostat. The heating wire is made of high-quality nickel, ensuring excellent thermal conductivity. It is built to last. Installing this part is straightforward, but remember to disconnect the power first. Work gloves are recommended to protect your hands. It is a safe and easy upgrade. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you have any questions, our customer service is available 24/7. If you are not satisfied, you can ask for a replacement. What we like. This heating element is specifically designed for Samsung dryers, ensuring a perfect fit and optimal performance. It includes a built-in heating element, thermostat, and thermal fuse. If you own a Samsung dryer and need a reliable replacement, this is the ideal choice. What people say. This is the second Samsung heating element that I've bought. This one came with more than just the element. It made swapping them out much easier. No guessing about which wire goes where. The price is reasonable and it definitely makes repair a quicker and easier process. Being able to replace the duct unit as an assembly means you only need to pull and replace the entire duct instead of having to disassemble everything to the bones. Number 1. Pulluty 279838 dryer heating element. Introducing the upgraded 279838 dryer heating element. It features excellent heat and abrasion resistance. The heating wire is longer than other common replacement parts, ensuring even heating without damaging your clothes. This heating element meets OEM manufacturing standards. It is designed for optimal performance and durability. You can rely on it to keep your dryer running efficiently. The 279838 heating element is compatible with a wide range of dryer models. This includes Whirlpool, Maytag, Kenmore, Amana, and Roper. Please refer to the attached table for detailed models. The package includes the 279838 dryer heating element and several other essential components. These include thermal fuses and thermostats. Everything you need for a complete replacement is included. This heating element works with various dryer brands. It is compatible with Whirlpool, Maytag, Kenmore, Roper, and more. It replaces multiple part numbers. We offer high-quality after-sales service. Our service team will solve any problems within 24 hours. You can also enjoy a 1-year warranty for the product. What we like. The heating wire is 25% longer than other common dryer replacement parts. If you have a variety of dryer models in your home, this is a great choice because it is compatible with many brands, making it a versatile option. If you are looking for a reliable and durable solution with peace of mind, this product's after-sales guarantee has you covered. What people say. We fixed my son-in-law's LG and my ancient Kenmore with the same parts and were able to upgrade a sensor or two fairly easily. Really fixed my dryer. Videos I found on YouTube showed step by step. So easy to switch out for the old one. Came with all the parts one needed. Dryer is running like new Aegean. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.